they refer to us as residential to distinguish those where people come in versus those where people don't. We're trying to influence the language to not use residential anymore. And here's our reasons. First of all, the word residential for some of the people that we treat for literacy is not well understood. Not everybody understands that residential means that you live in. They don't necessarily know what the word residential means. When you flesh concate it, which is looking at a grade level for language, it actually comes out at a grade 11. So some of our clients don't have that level of literacy and they're not clear on what that means. Is it in a residence? Is it, you know? The other thing is it doesn't translate well to other languages, and a lot of people don't have English as a first language, and the word residential doesn't mean the same things when you say it in some different languages. Finally, if you're an Aboriginal or First Nations person in Ontario, you're probably not too excited to go to a government-funded facility that's residential. There's been a bad history with that. So we've gone to live-in, and if you look at our website, you'll see that we call it our live-in programs.
If you or a loved one are looking for help with substance abuse, call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-615-1067. A caring addiction advisor is awaiting your call.